And we need to quickly cut across to the latest visuals coming in from Prayagraj. Actor Akshay Kumar, in fact, is also at Mahakumbh, and these are some of the visuals of the actor arriving at Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. He's taken the holy dip at Triveni Sangam, and these are some of the visuals that we are picking up of actor Akshay Kumar. You can see the actor in a white kurta seen walking towards Triveni Sangam, and a lot of crowds naturally gathered around him. I want to go across to Payal Mehta, who joins us with more details. Earlier as well, Payal, we've seen several Bollywood actors, Sonali Bendre, Vicky Kaushal, Rajkumar Rao, among others who've offered their prayers at Mahakumbh, and now we keep up with these visuals of Akshay Kumar taking the holy dip.
Well, absolutely. Akshay Kumar has chosen to take the holy dip today, being probably the last couple of days left before the Kumbh celebrations come to an end on the 26th of February. He joins the ranks of many such, actors and stars and cricketers who've in fact, chosen to take the dip of faith like the government of the day has been saying. Akshay Kumar has been working very closely with the Yogi Adityanath government also, on a number of projects that were endorsed, and also could be playing a crucial role as far as the development of the film city really in Uttar Pradesh is concerned. But I'm sure that given his popularity, it would have been quite a bit of a security nightmare, given the fact that you can see throngs and throngs of people. In fact, between I'm just on my way back from Prayagraj, and I can see throngs and throngs of people actually head to the Prayagraj Sangam area because they want to take their final, pay their obedience to their forefathers, take that dip as well. And today you can also expect a Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, along with his MLAs from his party also to come and take the dip in some time from now.
Okay, all right. Payal, many thanks for joining us with that update. Do remember that it's just 2 days left for Mahakumbh in Prayagraj, and actor Akshay Kumar taking the holy dip at Triveni Sangam. He's also given a brief reaction, so let's quickly play that out.
आराम से अरे आराम से हाँ जी पूछिए बहुत ही मजा आया बहुत बढ़िया इंतजाम है बहुत अच्छी तरह मतलब हम यहाँ के सीएम साहब योगी साहब का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करते हैं कि इतना अच्छा इंतजाम कर
Do remember, this also comes at a time that the opposition has been hitting out at the Yogi Sarkar over special arrangements that have been made for VVIPs at Mahakumbh. That said, it's time for us to head into a very short break. News and updates continue when we return. We'll be right back.